Hi, my name's Harry. I'm a technician looking after your vehicle today. Just carried out a free complimentary visual health check. We start the passenger side front tyre on the outer edge, 5.2mm, middle, 5.2, and the inner edge, pretty much 5mm. Now the legal limit for tyres is 1.6mm, so about 30% worn on this tyre. No cuts, no bulges, all in good condition. And driver side front, 5mm, 5mm again, and 4.9, so again roughly about 30% worn. Got a few cuts in it, but nothing major, nothing showing cord, so it's just an advisory. Driver's side rear, 5.8, 6.1, and 5.5, so about 20% worn. No cuts, no bulges, all in good condition. And the passenger side rear, 5.4, 5.8, and 5.5, so again sort of about 25% worn. No cuts, no bulges. However, you can see on the road we've got a little bit of distortion. There's nothing major at all, but it's just an advisory. Move to the rear brake pads are on 10mm, so about 20% worn, so a lot of life left in those. And the brake disc in good condition. It's not lipped, not scored or corroded. And front brake pads are on 11mm, so about 10% worn, so again a lot of life left in those. And the brake disc in good condition. It's not lipped, not scored or corroded. Moving to the front suspension, you've got no wear or play in any of the suspension ball joints or bushes. Coil spring's not corroded or broken, and your shock absorber's not leaking. Same for the other side. Nothing to advise at the front, all in good condition. Making our way to the rear of the vehicle, the exhaust system is nice and secure. No major corrosion, no holes, no leaks. And at the rear suspension, again, nothing to melt on those ball joints or bushes. No wear, no play. Coil spring's not corroded or broken. And your shock absorber's not leaking. And that's same for the other side. Nothing to advise at the rear. All in good condition. That conducts your visual health check. I'm going to hand you back over to Service Advisor. And thank you for choosing Hungerford Lovett.